So I'll show you two ways of welding 3D geometry. First, open up Sculpt and then select your object. In this one, we've exploded a sphere into faces. You can see they're all individual faces. So let's select that and go to Attach Objects and click on Weld Attach. Click on Attach. That's now welded that together in the single object. Let's just clear the smoothing groups. Let's apply those smoothing groups again. We'll go back to explode to faces. So you can see all back to the same faces again. Now let's take off weld attach and then attach the object. Now this is single object. We can go down to below to weld, select the object and then weld that together, and that does the same thing. So just clear the smoothing group so you can see it. And yeah, two ways. There you go.